Fifth bit, find the equation of hyperbola with first question focus 2 comma 2, eccentricity is 2 and directrix 3x minus 4y minus 1 equals to 0. Focus, eccentricity, directrix. So three values given. The equation of a hyperbola with focus x1 comma y1. So here 2 comma 2 is x1 comma y1. Next, directrix is a line ax plus by plus c equals 0. So here 3x minus 4y minus 1 equals 0. And eccentricity is given. So 2 is given. So then the formula is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equals to e square bracket of ax plus by plus c divided by under root a square plus b square whole square. So this is x1 comma y1, this is e, and this is ax plus by plus c. So x minus x1 is 2, y minus y1 is 2, e square, that is 2 square, ax plus by plus c, so 3x minus 4y minus 1 divided by under root a square, a value 3, b value minus 4. So 3 square plus minus 4 whole square and here whole square. Here a minus b whole square formula. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. Next here also same formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab equals to, here 2 square is 4 bracket of, so here 3x minus 4y minus 1 whole square divided by, and yes, if you are applying the square for denominator, so 3 square 9 minus 4 whole square 16, so total 25. So x square, 2 square is 4 minus 4x plus y square, 2 square 4 minus 4y equals to 4 divided by 25. Here apply the a plus b plus c whole square formula. So 3x whole square plus minus 4y whole square plus minus 1 whole square, so a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2 into 3x into minus 4y plus 2bc, 2 into minus 4y into minus 1, 2ca, 2 into minus 1 into 3x. So then here x square, here 4 plus 4 is 8. Otherwise first I will write the y square, minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 4 by 25 bracket of, here 3x whole square is 9x square plus 16y square plus 1. Here 2 into 3x into minus 4y is minus 3 to the 6, 6 4s are 24xy, and here 2 into minus 4y into minus 1 is plus 8y, 2 into minus 1 into 3x minus 6x. Next to 25 multiply left side, here 25 transpose to left side, then 25x square, 25y square, 25 into 4 is 100x minus 100y, 25 into 8 is 200. Next here 4 multiplying inside. So now transpose these all terms to left side. So 25x square plus 25y square. So here 25x square minus 36x square is minus 11x square. Next to 25y square minus 64y square, it is equals to minus 39y square. Next to xy term, where is the xy term? Here 96xy plus 96xy. Next to x term minus 100x. Next to plus 24x, minus 100x plus 24x, how much? Minus 76x. Next to minus 100y minus 32y minus 132y. Next constant numbers 200. Next here minus 4. So plus 196 equals to 0. Now let's take the minus common from all the terms. So plus 11x square plus 39y square minus 96xy plus 76x plus 132y minus 196 equals to 0. Now this minus transposed to right side, then the total 0. Then our required answer is 11x square plus 39y square minus 96xy plus 76x plus 132y minus 196 equals to 0. Second question, focus 2, 1, eccentricity is root 3 and directrix is x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. So the equation of a hyperbola with focus x1, y1, that means 2, 1, directrix is the line ax plus by plus c equals 0, that is x plus 2y minus 1 equals 0. Eccentricity is e, that is root 3. So then the formula is, so substitute the values in this. First of all, x minus x1 is 2, y minus y1 is 1, e value root 3, so then root 3 whole square, ax plus by x plus 2y minus 1 under root a square, a value x coefficient, that is 1, next to b square, y coefficient, that is 2 whole square. Now here a minus b whole square, here also a minus b whole square. Root 3 whole square is 3. Next here apply the square for numerator and for denominator. So what is the denominator simplification? 1 square 1, 2 square 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5, but here square is there. So then overall the denominator answer is just 5. So x square 2 square 4 minus 4x plus y square 1 square 1 minus 2y, it is equals to 3 divided by 5, and here apply the a plus b plus c whole square formula. So x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y, 4 plus 1 is 5 equals to 3 by 5. Next here x square 2y whole square is 4y square minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Here 2 into x into 2y, that is 4x into y. 2 into 2y into minus 1, that is minus 4y. 2 into minus 1 into x, minus 2x. So now 5 transpose to left side, that means multiply with LHS. So 5x square, 5y square, 5 4s are 20x, 5 into 2, 10y, 5 5s are 25. Next 3 multiply inside, 3x square, 3 4s are 12y square plus 3, 3 4s are 12xy, 12y minus 3 2s are 6x. Now write these all terms to left side. So 5x square minus 3x square is 2x square, 5y square minus 12y square is minus 7y square minus 20. Next xy term, that is 12x xy, so minus 12xy minus 20x. Next here plus 6x, minus 20 plus 6, how much? Minus 14x minus 10y plus 12y, that is plus 2y. Next constant number 25 minus 3 is 22 equals to 0. Third problem, focus 2, 3, eccentricity 5 by 4 and directrix 3x minus 4y plus 3 equals to 0. Here is the formula. Let's substitute the values. Here this is x1 y1, this is E, small e, and this is ax plus by plus c. So here x minus x1 2 plus y minus y1 3 e square 5 by 4 whole square ax plus by plus c, that means given line 3x minus 4y plus 3 divided by under root a square, x coefficient is a, so 3 square, b square, y coefficient, that is minus 4, so minus 4 whole square, here whole square, here a minus b whole square, here also a minus b whole square. Let's apply the form 5 by 4 whole, so here 5 by 4 whole square equals to 25 divided by 16. Next here apply the square for numerator and for denominator, so 3x minus 4y plus 3 whole square divided by, here let's simplify this, 3 square 9 minus 4 whole square 16, it is equals to 25. So then the square root of 25 and here whole square is there, then overall just 25 will come, then 25 is cancelled. So x square 2 square 4 minus 4x, next to y square 3 square 9 minus 6y, it is equals to 1 by 16. So here apply the a plus b plus c whole square formula. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y, 4 plus 9 is 13. Next this 16 transpose to left side, then LHS will be multiplied with 16. So 16x square plus 16y square minus 4 into 16 64x minus 6 into 16 96y plus 208 and 1 into this total RHS is RHS itself. Now transpose these all terms to left side. Plus 16y square minus 16y square cancel, 16x square, next to minus 9x square is 7x square, next to xy term, that is 24xy, next to x term minus 64x minus 18x, so 4 plus 8 12, 1 carry 82x, minus 96y plus 24y, so 6 minus 4 2, 9 minus 2 7, 72y, next to 208 minus 9, 208 minus 9 is 199 equals to 0. So this is our required equation of a hyperbola. Fourth question, focus 2, 3, eccentricity is root 2 and directrix is 3x plus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. Here is a formula. Let's substitute the values. This is x1 comma y1, this is a small e value, this is ax plus by plus c. So here apply the a minus b whole square formula, here also same. So your root 2 square is plus 2 and apply the square for numerator and for denominator, so 3x plus 4y plus 1 whole square divided by its simplification, 3 square 9 4 square 16, it is equals to 25, but we are applying the square for numerator and denominator, so just 25 will be there in the denominator place. So x square plus 2 square 4 minus 4x plus y square, next to 3 square is 9 minus 2 3s are 6y, it is equals to 2 by 25. Here apply the a plus b plus c whole square formula. So x square plus y square, next to minus 4x minus 6y, 4 plus 9 is 13, it is equals to 2 by 25, and let's simplify this. Now this 25 multiply with LHS, so 25x square plus 25y square, 25 4s are 100x, 25 6s are 150y, 25 13s are, so it is 325, and 2 multiply with this RHS, so 2 into 9 18x square, 2 into 16 32y square, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 24 48xy, 2 into 8y 16y plus 2 into 6 12x. Now write these all terms to left side. So 25x square minus 18x square is 7x square. Next to 25y square minus 32y square is minus 7y square. Next to xy term, that is minus 48xy. Next to 100x minus 100x minus 12x minus 112x minus 150y minus 16y minus 166y plus 325 minus 2 equals to 323 equals to 0. Fifth question, focus 1 comma 1, eccentricity is root 3 and directrix is 2x plus y equals to 1. So 2x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. So here is a formula. Let's substitute the values x minus x1. So this is x1 comma y1 plus y minus 1 whole square e square, that is eccentricity, root 3 whole square. Next to ax plus by plus 6. So 2x plus y minus 1 divided by under root a square plus b square. So x coefficient is a, so 2 square plus y coefficient is b, that is 1 square whole square. Here a minus b whole square, here also a minus b whole square. So root 3 whole square is 3. 2x plus y minus 1 whole square divided by, let's simplify this denominator, 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, so it is equals to 5. So then root 5 whole square is just 5. So x square plus 1 square 1 minus 2 into x into 1 is 2x plus y square plus 1 square 1 minus 2 into y into 1 is 2y. So then 3 by 5. So here apply the a plus b plus c whole square formula. So x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y, 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 by 5. So let's simplify this. So now 5 transpose to left side. So that means LHS multiply with 5. So 5x square plus 5y square minus 5 2s are 10x minus 10y. So 10y, 5 2s are 10. Next to 3 multiply inside, 3 4s are 12x square plus 3y square plus 3 plus 3 4s are 12x. Now write these all terms to left side. So 5x square minus 12x square is minus 7x square. 5y square minus 3y square is plus 2y square. Next to here minus 12xy. Next to minus 10x plus 12x is plus 2x. Minus 10y plus 6y is minus 4y. 10 minus 3 is plus 7 equals to 0. Take the minus common, so 7x square minus 2y square plus 12xy minus 2x plus 4y minus 7 equals to 0. So then the required answer is minus 7x square minus 2y square plus 12xy minus 2x plus 4y minus 7 equals to 0. Sixth bit, find the equation of a rectangular hyperbola whose focus is the point 1 comma 2 and whose directrix is the line 3x plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. So the equation of a hyperbola with focus x1 comma y1. So 1 comma 2 is a x1 comma y1. Directrix is a line ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So 3x plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. And eccentricity E is given. So we know very well the rectangular hyperbola eccentricity is always root 2. So then the required formula is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equals to e square bracket of ax plus by plus c divided by under root a square plus b square whole square, and the eccentricity is always root 2 for the rectangular hyperbola. So let's substitute the values in this. X minus x1 value 1 plus y minus y1 value 2, e square means root 2 whole square. So ax plus by plus c, so 3x plus 4y minus 5 under root a square plus b square, so 3 square plus b square, that is y coefficient 4 square whole square. Now here apply the a minus b whole square formula, and here also same formula. So your root 2 square is 2. Here apply the square for numerator, and for denominator 3x plus 4y minus 5 whole square divided by, here its simplification, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, it is equals to 25. So square root of 25 whole square is just 25, because we are applying the square for numerator and for denominator. So x square plus 1 square 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 2 square 4 minus 2 2s are 4y equals to 2 by 25 bracket of, here apply the a plus b plus c whole square formula. So x square minus 2x plus y square minus 4y, 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 divided by 25. Let's simplify this total. 3x whole square is 9x square, 4y whole square is 16y square, minus 5 whole square is 25. Here 2 into 3 into 4, it is 24xy. 2 into 4 into minus 5, minus 40y. 2 into minus 5 into 3, minus 30x. Now this 25 multiply with LHS. So 25x square, 25 into 2, 50x, 25y square, 25 4 is 100y, 25 into 5, 125. Next to 2 multiply with RHS, 2 9s are 18x square, 32y square, 50, 48xy, minus 80y, minus 60x. Now write these all terms to left side. 25x square minus 18x square is 7x square. Next to 25y square minus 32y square is minus 7y square. Next to xy term, minus 48xy, minus 50x plus 60x is plus 10x. Next to minus 100y plus 80y minus 20y. 125 minus 50 is 75 equals to 0. So this is our required equation of a rectangular hyperbola. Second question, whose focus is the point minus 3 comma 4 and corresponding directrix is a line 4x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. So here is a formula, and eccentricity of a rectangular hyperbola is always root 2. Let's substitute the values in this. So here apply the a plus b whole square formula, here a minus b whole square formula. So here root 2 whole square is 2, and apply the square for numerator and denominator. So 4x plus 3y plus 1 whole square divided by 4 square 16, 3 square 9, so total 25. So square root will get cancelled. So x square plus 3 square 9 plus 2 3s are 6x plus y square 4 square 16, 2 4s are 8y. It is equals to 2 divided by 25. Here apply the a plus b plus c whole square formula. So x square plus y square plus 6x. Here 25 transpose to left side, then LHS multiply with the 25. 25x square plus 25y square plus 150x minus 200y plus 625. It is equals to, here 2 multiply with this all terms, then 32x square 18y square plus 248xy plus 12y plus 16x. Now transpose these all terms to left side, then after 25x square minus 32x square is minus 7x square, 25y square minus 18y square is plus 7y square, 150 next year 48xy, 150x minus 16x is 134x, 200y minus 200y minus 12y is minus 212y, 625 minus 2 is plus 623. Now I am taking the minus common, so then this is the final answer. Third question, whose focus is minus 1 comma minus 3 and directrix is x plus 2y plus 7 equals to 0. Here is a formula, and here e equals to under root 2 because eccentricity of rectangular hyperbola is root 2. Let's substitute the values in this. Your root 2 square is 2, and apply the square for numerator and denominator. So x square plus 1 square 1, 2x plus y square 3 square 9 plus 2 3s are 6y equals to 2 bracket of, here 2 by 5 bracket of, apply the a plus b plus c whole square formula. So x square plus y square plus 2x plus 6y 1 plus 9 10 equals to 2 by 5, here x square plus 2y whole square 4y square 7 square 49, 2 2s are 4 xy, 2 2s are 4, 7 4s are 28y, next to 7 2s are 14x. Now this 5 multiply to LHS, so 5x square plus 5y square plus 5 2s are 10x, 5 6 are 30y plus 5 10s are 50. Next to 2 multiply with RHS, 2x square 8y square 98, 8xy 56, next to 28x. Now write these all terms to left side. 5x square minus 2x square is 3x square, 5y square minus 8y square is minus 3y square. Next xy term, that is minus 8xy plus 10x minus 20x is minus 18x, 30y minus 56y is minus 26y, 50 minus 98 is minus 48 equals 0 is our required equation of a rectangular hyperbola. Fourth question, whose focus is 3 comma 4 and directrix is 4x minus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. So here is a formula, x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equals to e square bracket of ax plus by plus c divided by under root a square plus b square whole square, and eccentricity of rectangular hyperbola is root 2. Let's substitute the values. So here apply the a minus b whole square formula, here also same formula. Here apply the square for numerator and denominator. First of all, simplify the denominator. 4 square 16 minus 3 whole square 9, so root 25, but here whole square is there, then 25 will come. So x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y, here 16 plus 9 is 25, it is equals to 2 divided by 25 bracket of, let's simplify this total. Now 25 transpose to left side, so 25x square plus 25y square, 25 6 are 150x, 25 8 are 200y, 25 25 is 625. Next to 2 multiply with this total terms, so 32x. So transpose these all terms to left side. So then 25x square minus 32x square is minus 7x square, 25y square minus 18 square plus 7y square minus 150x, next to xy term, so that is 48xy minus 150x plus 12y, so it is minus 150x minus 16x, so it is 166x minus 200y plus 12y is minus 188y, 625 minus 2, so it is 623 equals to 0. Take the minus common, 7x square y square, 7y square minus 48xy minus plus 166x, so plus 188y minus 623 equals to 0. So if you transposing minus to RHS side, it is total 0. So then our required answer is 7x square 7y square minus 48xy plus 166x plus 188y minus 623 equals to 0. Fifth question, focus is 2, 3 and directrix is 3x plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. So here is a formula and here E value is under root 2. Let's substitute the values. So here apply the a minus b whole square, here also a minus b whole square formula, and root 2 square is 2 and apply the square for numerator and denominator. So 3x plus 4y minus 5 whole square divided by, apply the square for denominator also, but 3 square plus 4 square is 25, so square root will get cancelled. So x square plus 2 square 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 3 square 9, 2 3 is 6y, it is equals to 2 divided by 25. Here apply the a plus b plus c whole square formula. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y, here 4 plus 9 is 13 equals to 2 divided by 25, and let's simplify these total terms. So now this 25 transpose to left side, then it will multiply with LHS. So 25x square 25y square minus 100x minus 150y plus 325 and 2 multiply with these all terms. Now write these all terms to left side. 25x square minus 18x square is 7x square, 25y square minus 32y square is minus 7y square, minus 100x, next to xy term, so minus 48xy minus 100x plus 60x minus 40x minus 150y plus 80y is minus 70y, 325 minus 50 is 275 equals to 0. Sixth question, the focus 1, 1 and directrix is x plus 3y plus 1 equals 0. Here is a formula. In this formula, consider a equals to root 2 because eccentricity of rectangular hyperbola is a root 2. Here apply the a minus b whole square formula, here also same formula. So x square plus 1 square 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 1 square 1 minus 2y equals to 2 by 10, and apply the a plus b plus c whole square formula. So x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y, 1 plus 1 is 2. Here 2 ones are 2 5s are, so 1 by 5, and let's simplify this. Next to 5 transpose to left side, then it will multiply with LHS. So 5x square 5y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 10 equals to here x square plus 9y square plus 1 plus 6xy plus 6y plus 2x. Transpose these all terms to left side. So here 5x square minus x square is 4x square, 5y square minus 9y square is minus 4y square. Next xy term, that is minus 6xy, minus 10x minus 2x is minus 12x, minus 10y minus 6y is minus 16y, 10 minus 1 is plus 9 equals to 0. Seventh question, the focus 3 comma minus 4 and directrix is x minus y plus 5 equals 0. So here is a formula. Here you consider e equals to root 2. Let's substitute the values. Here apply the a minus b whole square. Here a plus b whole square formula. So x square plus 3 square 9 minus 2 3s are 6x plus y square 4 square is 16, 4 2s are 8y equals to 2 divided by 2. Here apply the a plus b plus c whole square formula. So x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y, 9 plus 16 is 25, and here 2 cancel, and let's simplify these all terms. Now write these all terms to left side. So plus x square minus x square plus y square minus y square cancel, minus 6x minus 10x is minus 16x, 8y plus 10y is 18y, next to plus 2xy, 25 minus 25 cancel, it is equals to 0. So here we can cancel the take the minus 2 common, so 8x minus 9y minus xy equals 0. So 8x minus 9y minus xy equals to 0. Seventh bit, find the equation to hyperbola whose centers are origin and whose axes are the axis of coordinates and which passes through the points. First question, 2 comma minus 1 and minus 4 comma 3. So the standard form of a hyperbola is x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square equals to 1, which is passes through the point 2 comma minus 1. Then substitute x equals to 2, y equals to minus 1. So 2 square divided by a square minus 1 whole square divided by b square equals to 1. 2 square 4 by a square minus 1 whole square plus 1 by b square equals to 1. And it is also passes through the point minus 4 comma 3. Then x equals to minus 4, y equals to 3. So then the minus 4 whole square by a square minus 3 square by b square equals to 1. 16 by a square minus 9 by b square equals to 1. In these two equations, let 1 by a square equals to m and 1 by b square equals to n. Then this first equation will become 4m minus n equals to 1, equation number 1, and this equation will become 16m minus 9n equals to 1, equation 2. I am going to eliminate the variable n, that is why equation 1 multiply with 9 bracket of 4m minus n equals to 1, 9 4s are 36m minus 9n equals to 9, equation number 3. Now equation number 3 minus equation number 2. So equation number 3 is 36m minus 9n equals to 9. Equation number 2 is 16m minus 9n equals to 1. Now change the symbols. Minus 9n plus 9n cancel. Here 20m equals to 9 minus 1 is 8. So then m equals to 8 divided by 20. 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8. Then m equals to 2 divided by 5. Now substitute this m value either in 1 or 2 or 3 equation. So first equation is what? 4m minus n equals to 1. 4 into 2 by 5 minus n equals to 1. 8 by 5 minus n equals to 1. 8 by 5 minus 1 equals to n. So 8 minus 5 divided by 5 equals to n. So then n equals to 3 divided by 5. But at the beginning we selected that 1 by a square equals to m. So 1 by a square equals to m value 2 by 5. Then a square equals to 5 by 2. Similarly 1 by b square selected as a n. So 1 by b square equals to n value 3 by 5. So then b square equals to 5 by 3. So then our standard form is what? X square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. So x square by a square value 5 by 2 minus y square by b square value 3 by 5 equals to 1. So 2x square divided by 5 minus b square value how much? 5 by 3. So then 3y square divided by 5 equals to 1. Here both denominators are same. So 2x square minus 3y square equals to 1. So then the final answer is 2x square minus 3y square equals to 5. Second question 1, 2 and 3, 4. Let's take the standard form of a hyperbola. X square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square equals to 1. Substitute the first point, that is x equals to 1, y equals to 2. So 1 square by a square minus 2 square by b square equals to 1. 1 square 1 by a square minus 2 square is 4 by b square equals to 1. Substitute the second point, that is x equals to 3, y equals to 4. So then 3 square divided by a square minus 4 square divided by b square equals to 1. 3 square 9 by a square minus 16 by b square equals to 1. Now let 1 by a square equals to m, 1 by b square equals to n. Then this first equation will become m minus 4n equals to 1, equation number 1. And the second equation will becomes 9m minus 16n equals to 1, equation number 2. Let's eliminate either m or n variable from these two equations. So I am going to eliminate the m variable. That is why equation 1 multiply with 9. So 9 bracket of m minus 4n equals to 1. So 9m minus 9 4s are 36n equals to 9. So equation number 3. Now equation 3 minus equation 2. Equation 3 is 9m minus 36n equals to 9. Equation 2 is 9m minus 16n equals to 1. So now change the symbols. Both are cancelled. Minus 36 plus 16n equals to minus 20n. 9 minus 1 is 8. So then n equals to 8 divided by minus 20. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Then n equals to minus 2 divided by 5. Substitute this n value either in first or second or third equation. So the first equation is m minus 4n equals to 1. M minus 4 into n value minus 2 by 5 equals to 1, plus 4 2s are 8 by 5 equals to 1. Then m equals to 1 minus 8 by 5. So 5 minus 8 by 5. Then m equals to minus 3 by 5. But we selected 1 by a square equals to m. So 1 by a square equals to m value minus 3 by 5. Then a square value minus 5 by 3. Similarly, we selected 1 by b square equals to n. 1 by b square equals to n value minus 2 by 5. Then b square equals to minus 5 by 2. Now select the standard form x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. X square by a square value minus 5 by 3 minus y square by b square value minus 5 by 2 equals to 1. So now 3x square by minus 5 minus 2y square by minus 5 equals to 1. So here denominators are same, then 3x square minus 2y square equals to 1. So 3x square minus 2y square equals to 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. So this minus transpose to left side. So then what will happen? Minus 3x square plus 2y square equals to 5. First I am writing the y square term. Next I am writing x square term. It is equals to 5. So this is our required answer.